Best 5-minute chest workout. Get ripped. Ready to sculpt an impressive chest in just 5 minutes? This quick and effective workout is perfect for anyone looking to get ripped without spending hours at the gym. Let's get started. Warm up 1 minute. Start with a quick warm-up to get your blood flowing. Try arm circles, jumping jacks, or jogging in place for 1 minute. Exercise 1. Push-ups 1 minute. Push-ups are great for your chest, shoulders, and arms. Keep your body straight. Lower yourself until your chest is just above the ground, then push back up. If regular push-ups are too hard, you can do them on your knees. Exercise 2. Chest flies 1 minute. Use dumbbells or resistance bands. Lie on your back with your arms above you, then slowly open your arms wide, keeping a slight bend in your elbows. Bring them back together, squeezing your chest at the top. Exercise 3. Bench dips 1 minute. Sit on the edge of a bench or chair with your hands gripping the front. Extend your feet forward. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your arms are parallel to the ground, then push back up. Exercise 4. Plyometric push-ups 1 minute. Do push-ups, but push off the ground with enough force to lift your hands briefly. This move increases power and intensity, helping build strength and definition. Exercise 5. Isometric chest squeeze 1 minute. Stand or sit comfortably. Bring your palms together in front of your chest and press them together as hard as you can. Hold for 30 seconds, release briefly, and repeat. This helps with muscle endurance. Cool down and stretch. Finish with some chest, shoulder, and arm stretches to reduce soreness and improve flexibility. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic. This 5-minute chest workout is perfect for busy days when you need a quick session. Try to do this routine a few times a week. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, you can adjust these exercises to suit your level. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Remember, a good workout is just part of getting fit. Pair your exercise routine with a healthy diet, enough water, and plenty of rest. Stay committed, and you'll see your chest muscles transform in no time. Keep pushing forward, and let's get ripped together.